Here in Bonito, we are celebrating the bravery and sacrifices by our freedom fighters who fought for our independence. Freedom is not just a word, it's a feeling. It's a feeling of being able to live your life on your own terms. It's a feeling to speak your mind. It's a feeling to chase your dreams. And it's a feeling to stand up for what you believe in. But freedom comes with the responsibility. The responsibility to use your rights wisely.
Freedom to me means having your own choice, having your own opinion, having your own thought, and the freedom to decide what you want to do and how you want to do. Thank you. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
What does freedom means to me is the ability to express myself the way I want to. Happy Independence Day.
Freedom for me is not getting affected by any other one's opinion and let others' judgment make me fall down. I leave up to myself. Thank you.
Freedom is something free from mind where you can do anything, anywhere without anyone's permission. That is where the freedom stands for me. Wishing you all happy Independence Day. Thank you.
For me, freedom is the ability to express myself the way I want.
Freedom means it's a power to be what you are and to be able to make your own decisions.
Freedom for me is not depending on any external sources for internal happiness. Wish everyone a very happy Independence Day.
Freedom for me means eating whatever I feel like without worrying about gaining any weight.
Freedom is being yourself without any permissions.
It's something you can act, think, change as per your convenience without any restrictions.
Freedom is never granted, it is earned by each generation. Happy Independence Day.
Freedom for me is like, being free from any kind of dom. And I think thoughts is something that we start thinking anything and then we, eventually execute the same. And very happy Independence Day at the same time. Thank you so much.
Freedom is like courage and ability to make choices without fearing about the social norms. Happy Independence Day.
For me, freedom is whatever I'm thinking, I can express it freely. So yeah, happy Independence Day.
Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. It should be filled with joy, pride, and we should celebrate success, we should celebrate our freedom, we should appreciate memory and past memories and the sacrifices that our freedom fighters made to make this day so bright and so full of promise for all of us. We should cherish this independence and enjoy the life that lies ahead of us. May it be full of success, glory, peace and happiness. Once again, wishing you all a very happy 78th Independence Day. Thank you.